Hello guys, today we're going to make a short video about installing AMD AM5 CPU. So let's begin. So for today we're going to use this motherboard. Well, let's see if we can focus it right. Yeah, and we're going to be installing this CPU in it. Ryzen 9 9900X. So the installation method is same for any AMD AM5 CPU because they all look the same and they all have the same size. So let's begin. Okay. So also when you buy a new motherboard, the first thing you should do is check to see if the pins are good. Because this motherboard is supplied by a customer, so we're going to check it. So you're going to gently remove this pin, this cover from the top. So as you can tell, me spinning closer, all the pins look good. You can check by rotating. Oh, that doesn't matter, but you can check by light reflection, and that's how you pretty much know the pins are good or not. So let's install the CPU. So let's unbox it. There's a beloved CPU. Okay, so what you want to do with when you install CPU, whether it's AMD or Intel, which don't have pins, you want to use gravity. You don't want to put it there. You want the gravity to take care of it. So let's try. So of course you match the notches, which is here, to the notch on the motherboard. So to install this, I'm going to put this in the, and you want to be very careful that you don't drop it here. We do want to use gravity, but not the same way. So get it closer and let it go. And then you can wiggle it around to see if it went good. Now you can tell it's in both notches are good, it's fine. But let's say for some reason you put it there and it didn't go right. So instead of trying to pick it up like this, what you want to do is this. Use gravity again. And that's how you don't bend the pins. So let's put it again. Okay, so let's put it back again. Get it closer as much as you can. And drop it. So after you put it in, you can check it's a pretty good spot. Hold it here. Make sure it's level. Sometimes it might stuck like this. You want to make sure it's on both sides. Hold it just lightly. And that's how you do it. Alright guys, that's how it is. Whether it's AMD or Intel, the process remains the same. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.